Hello, welcome to Ekidel. My name is Justice Mwaka. I am your instructor. Today, we will be learning structural detailing. So today's lecture will be a complete structural detailing of a concrete building. Okay, as you all know, if you are a good follower of Ekidel or you're a good subscriber of Ekidel, you will know that over time, we have been doing performing structural design using a software called Prota Structure. And all this while, for the past few months, we have been performing a structural design, and we have not done any structural detailing. So, in my last video, which I'll also drop the link to that video right here on the comment section or on the description, we did a video on how to export structural detailing from Prota Structure down to AutoCAD. Now, when you come to AutoCAD right now, you have to perform the full structural detailing because Prota Structure will only give you some parts of detailing, and most of the Prota structural detailing is not always perfect. So you, as a structural engineer, you're meant to now detail all the structural members to the preferred um, kind of detailing that you want. So today we will be performing structural detailing. Okay, so right now, the first thing you will do right now, once you open your AutoCAD, is to locate the file, which is the file that you exported from Prota Structure. So right now, I'll click on this place called Open. Meanwhile, I am using AutoCAD 2023 version, and as you can see it right here, it is fully registered. Okay, so right now you click on Open, and then a dialog box is going to appear just now. Now, on this dialog box right now, the next thing we'll do right now is to locate the file. The file is always on document, and inside document, it is located inside Prota Structure file or folder. So right now, I'll go right now and click on this document and then locate my Prota Structure folder, which in my own case, this is it. So now this is the exported file that we exported from Prota Detail down to AutoCAD. But right now, we want to now begin to detail it to our preferred pattern or style of detailing. So I will click on this one on this file right now and then click on open. Now I'll click on yes, continue opening. Now once it opens right now, it's almost coming up. You will see now, okay, now it has opened. This is the exported Prota detail drawings that we exported from Prota Detail down to AutoCAD. And right now we have opened it in AutoCAD, as you can see right here. This is a part foundation. And if you want to know, if you want to see the video of the full design of this detail, I would say you should check the link down below this description. You will see the video on how to design this structure. Now, looking at this right now, once you open up or once you export your drawing file from Prota Structure down to AutoCAD, this is how it will look like, where you see your first floor or your story one beam and column layout, your foundation layout if it is a part foundation, and then your roof or your second story beam and column layout. Now, in this case, this is a two-story building. As you can see it here, we have story one and we have story two floor layout, and then this is just the roof beam, beam and column layout. Now, under it right now, so we also have the beam details for story one. You can see right now, this one beam simply means story one. So we have the beam detail, which have been given to us by Prota Structure through Prota Detail. And also, we also have our bending schedule, as you can see it right here. And also, we also have the story two beam detail, which is for this story two layout, as you can see it here, story two. And also we have the beam details and also the roof beam or the story tree, as you can see it here. And also this is the story tree, beam and column layout. Now, also, we also have the foundation part detailing or foundation footing detailing of this is the footing layout, foundation layout, as you can see it right here. So the Prota structure has also given us the foundation footing detail. Now, also, we also have our column schedule, as you can see it right now. In my last video, I explained to you guys why I didn't export the column section detail from Prota structure because it is not always nice and it doesn't look good. So I don't like bringing it bringing out the structural detail of that column. I want to use a manual hand detailing to detail the column perfectly here in AutoCAD. And then also I didn't also export the slab because Prota structure is not always good in slab detailing. It doesn't really look nice. So I used to use manual hand detailing to do that. So by the end of this lecture, you will be able to detail perfectly a full structural drawing for any kind of concrete building. So right now, this is your exported file from Prota Structure down to AutoCAD. Now, right now, we want to begin our full structural detailing. And we will start with the first floor layout, where we will have to number this beam. If you can see right now, you can see that Prota Structure have already numbered the beam for us. But I don't like using this Prota beam numbering because most times it is not always good. So I like to number my beam myself, of which you will see how we are going to do that right now. And this is a full standard way of structural detailing. So I will be using directly the global standard detailing for this structural detailing. So I will say that you should pay attention, although it might look boring because you know that we this is called structural detailing, but if you follow up, it will look interesting and you will learn more and more and you thank me for this video. So before we start, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, Ekidel, I will say that you should just click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my video, which I'll be doing consistently in most structural design and also other parts of engineering designs. Okay, so right now, let's get started. Looking at this now, this is the exported file from Prota Structure. Now, we want to now begin our structural detailing. Now, before we start, there is an automated template. You know, this is like an AutoCAD environment. So there is an automated AutoCAD environment which was developed by a company called Stonebridge in UK. So this company was developed by a this template was developed by a company in UK. The template which I'm going to show you right now was developed by a company in UK, which it makes your structural detailing very easy. So right now, I will go and open the Stonebridge structural detailing. So right now, I click on open. The reason why I'm opening this right now is to make this structural detailing very simple. And if you have this template with you, believe me, your Prota structural detailing becomes very simple as that. So right now, when I click on this open just here, now this dialog box will appear, which I will now go to document. Now, on this place right now, this I saved the Stonebridge structural templates in desktop. Now you can see right here, this is Stonebridge company detail templates. So if I open this folder right now, on opening this folder, you will see a file inside here. So this is called Stonebridge company structural detailing templates. So if I click on this right now and click on open, what happens is that you will see a sample of other structural detailing in there, which also consists of how you can arrange your structural detailing after detailing. But the beauty, but the beauty of this, the beauty of this template is that, as you can see right there first, you see other type of detailing of showing you as an example. You can see this column right here, showing you an example of how you can detail your structural drawing perfectly. Now, the beauty of, and you can see also see their templates just here. You can see template right here, Stonebridge Company. You can see it right here. Also their address, UK. Okay, so right now, the beauty of this template, listening very attentively, the beauty of this template is that once you copy this exported Prota Structure Detailing, once you copy all this file into this template, automatically you don't have any other work to do. You just have to arrange them inside your sheet or your template that you want to start printing, and that is all. But before this time, if you don't have this template, if you don't have this template, you have a lot of work to do because you have to start changing. As you can see right now, this is a reinforcement layer. And if you print this right now, if you print directly this without making any changes, all this layer will be very dark that even your viewer or your reader will not be able to understand or to see what element or member is that. But if you copy this file right now into this template, you will see the magic of what will happen. So just pay attention right now while we copy this drawing, this exported drawing from Prota Structure. So if you copy this right now, right click and say, right click and then go to copy, as you can see right now. In most system times, I will be using shortcut, but for now, let me just pass through this procedure. So I click on copy right now. Now, automatically, I have copied all this drawing just here. So I now open the tab, this Stonebridge Company Detailing Template. Now, once I open it right now, before I paste, or I'll just paste, I'll just right click and then go to clipboard and then click on paste. Now, once I paste this here, automatically, all these templates will just present for me a perfect detail which will fit for printing and which will be good for printing. Now, I have just pasted this right now. Now, let's just hold on for the template to do its magic. Now, if you look at this right now, you can see what happened just now. This is the previous one that came from Prota Structure, as you can see. Take a look at this right now. And this is the one that this template has just done. If you also look at the foundation layout right now, you can see foundation layout. And also, if you click on this place, go to foundation layout, you see the look of how this was. You can see the look here. But if you look at this right now, you can see the look here. So this, and also if you see these layers, they were automatically changed. But if you look at this before, this was how it looks like. Now, if you print this directly without any editing or without these templates, your 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 output of your printout will not be visible because this exported file from Prota Structure was not set. The software only did its detailing for you. So right now, we will now go back to the templates. Now, let me also copy again for you this template again to show you the magic of what this Stonebridge Company template can do. So if we copy again this exported file from Prota Structure, let me repeat this one more time. Copy this file right now, and then go to Stonebridge Company Detailing Template and just click on this right now. If I click on this to open this tab right now, and then let me just form a rectangle to paste this new one inside this rectangle. If I click on this, then click on Ctrl V, And then just to paste this inside here, let me wait for the hair. So if I click on to paste this right now inside here, now you see the magic just now. It is very perfect. You see that every features which gives you a global standard method of detailing is already stored in this Stonebridge company template. Okay, so let's just go back. Okay, so with this template, you are good to go. You can see everything is being made. But before, this was how it looks like when it came from Prota Structure, which is not always, which doesn't look good after printing. But with this right now, or you can see your lapping, everything has been placed and visible. And also you can see your text and your axis, everything is good. Now, by the end of everything, this is what you are going to have. So by the end of this lecture, you can also see that there is also a template on the paper space. You can see it here. On the back sheet, there is also a template for the Stonebridge, which all you need to do is to remove this logo, delete it, and put in your own logo. But for now, we will be using this logo. And also, all you need to do is to change this project name. You can change this project name to the one you want, which we will begin that just now. Okay, so we go back to model view right now to begin our full structural detailing. So once you paste this inside here, so let me just delete one of these because it is now like a duplicate. So right now, once you see this right now, the first thing we want to do right now is to begin the detailing of our beams and also to present this beam layout, how it will look after we are done printing. Okay, so right now, first of all, let me explain this template for you. This template, I'll put this template right there. I'll put a link to this template right there on my description, which you will directly download it from the Stonebridge company itself. Okay, when I started using this templates in, as at 2017 when it was a free version, but in 2020 after COVID-19, the company had some issues because of the pandemic, and they now began to sell their software, their templates, and also their software. Now, this template, as at last year, it was just $10. But later this year, they decreased the price to just $5. So the price of this template is $5. So I'll drop the link to that the link where you can get these templates just right down on the description. If you want, you can get this template, or if you don't want also, you can also begin to use this just directly here and then begin to do your storytelling directly from this exported file. But I would say if you get this, you will flow with me a lot because I have been using these templates for a very long time and it makes your work very easy. As you can see, the result at the end of everything, this is the kind of result you are going to get. As you can see it right here. This is the kind of result that you are going to get. And also you can see your your footing base perfectly arranged, and also your beam details perfectly arranged, and also you also see your column perfectly done. So right now, let's get started on the full detailing since I've already explained to you what this template is all about. So let's get started for the full detailing right now. Okay, so to begin our structural detailing, right now, I've already opened the file that was exported from Prota Structure. So this is our exported file from Prota Structure into AutoCAD. As you can see right now that this is the structural beam detailing that was detailed by Prota Structure. Now, you can see that a lot of work are to be done here because if you print this directly from this place without doing any other settings, without touching the layers and also doing a proper detail, you can see that Protastructure brought there are some things that are not necessary, but because it is an automated software, it gives you your drawing, and most things are not right here, which you will have to touch and also to remove before you now do your proper detailing. And can see also there are some things that are not okay which came with the software. So it is now your right as an engineer to now begin the structural detailing fully. So once you open the exported file from structural detailing, you copy all the structural details that was exported from Prota Structure. So you copy it, right click, and then you say copy. I'll be using shortcuts along this line, but for now, let me just show you how to copy. So you copy this all the detail that came with you from Prota Structure. Now, once you're copy, just escape. Then there, on this template, this is called Stonebridge Company. You can see it here. Stonebridge Company Structural Detailing Template. Now, this template is owned by a company called Stonebridge. Now, the reason for this template is because this template was mainly built for Prota Structure and for Tekla Structure and for Rivet Structure. Now, what happens is that if you print directly this exported file from Prota Structure, you will not have your structural drawing presented very well. As you can see it right here, you have much work to do. Now, once you copy this structural detailing done for you by Prota Structure into this template, automatically these templates will arrange and will give you a proper detail layer and a proper detail settings, which will be good after printing. Now, you all know that I've already copied this drawing right now from Prota Structure exported file. I'll now open this Stonebridge company template, and then I'll just right click and then click on clipboard to paste it just now. So once I click on paste just now, let's wait. Okay, once I now click to paste, automatically it will take some time, like some seconds, to set the proper detailing for you. Now, this template right now is done. Now you can see right now that it has automated all the layers for you, which will be good for presentation. If you also look at this, also it has done some work for you, which it has almost done 80% of work for you. Now, if you look also at the beam, you can see that the beam looks very different from what was here before. This was the one that came from Prota Structure, and this is the one that Stonebridge Company templates have just automated for you, as you can see it right here. And also, if you check on this back sheet right now, it also gives you a proper size of A3 size paper and a well detailed, which all you do is to change the name of your client. Just change the name of your client right here and input your own client's name, and also change the logo. If you have your own logo, you just remove the logo and paste your own logo in here. But for now, we will be using the Stonebridge logo. And also you can change the project name. You can change this and also input yours. So right now, we go back to our model view to now begin our structural detailing just now. So right now, to get these templates, you will see the link down below. It's not expensive, it is just $5. Last year, this software was sold for $10 to $15. That was when I bought it. And I must tell you, it have perfectly reduced the stress I used to have in structural detailing by 80%. Okay, and you will see that just now when we get started. So you will get this link down below. If you want, you can buy this link from the Stonebridge company. It's just $5. Or if you don't want also, you can just begin to work from this exported file. But I tell you, it will take you a lot of work. If this will take you 2 weeks or 5 days or 10 days to finish this, let me assume it will take you 10 days to finish this right here. But with this Stonebridge template, it can take you just 10 hours to finish the slab detailing, the beam layout, the foundation detailing, and everything, and present it for printing just like this. You can present it for printing just like this, and within 10 hours, what will take you 10 days will only take you 10 hours to perform the structural detailing here in Stonebridge company templates. So our advice, you just buy it if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, you can also go back to this place and begin to use this. And whenever you have the money to buy this template, which is just $5, you can now buy it and begin to use it. This video is always here for you. Okay, so right now, what we will begin to do right now is to perform this first floor layout, to arrange it how it is meant to be, and also put it in this template for printing. So I will say you should pay proper attention. I will take my time. I will not be a bit fast so that you flow with me one after the other. So right now, I will copy this first floor, this story one beam and column layout, which is here, and then I will also copy the beam because I want to perform the beam, and I want to put the beam also in template for printing. So I copy these two, and I'll just move it, not copy, I'll move it directly to a region somewhere here. And then what I'll just do right now is to now create another rectangle for this. So right now, we want to now start performing or start presenting this beam and column layout for the first floor, how it will look like after printing. Okay, so the first thing right now to do is to identify your staircase area, because staircase area is always a void. So right now, this is my staircase area. So what I'll do right now, I'll click on this layer and then go to hidden detail. You have Stonebridge, you see STB, okay, STB hidden detail. I'll just activate the layer and then click on line to show this staircase as a void. So I'll just click on this right now, show this as a void, escape, just repeat again and show this as a void. So this is a symbol of void, as we all know. And then also we click on this again because this staircase is like a two-way staircase. They have staircase on that direction and also a staircase on this direction. So right now I have identified my staircase so that when we'll be doing the slab detailing for this floor, we will not mistakenly go and put in slab on this staircase area. So right now, this is the only void that we have on this structure. And mind you, this is a two-story building. As you all know, we have the story one and also we have story two and then the roof beam. Okay, so right now, story one layout, story two layout, and then the roof beam and column layout, and then the foundation layout. But right now, we are beginning from story one layout to also arrange the story one beam detail. Okay, so right now, the first thing I'll do, I don't like the color of this. This template Stonebridge has a perfect color for this. So right now, I'll just click on this right now. Once I click on this, one of them, next now do, I'll just right click and say select similar. Automatically, it will select all these dimensions. You can see that both on this other way, select it, and then you will now type CH. I type CH and then I go to my dimension style on this dialog box. Dimension style here, I just click first. When I click, I'll click on this civil 50. So when I click on this civil 50, it will try to select to change the layer to civil 50. I come back again on this dimension layout, click on it and go back to beam and click on beam dimension style. Now, automatically, this change, or you can see the changes now is already done. You can see the changes are perfectly done. Next now, I'll just click on close and click on escape. Now, I'll be a bit fast so that I can save more time for the length of this video. So you can see that there is a change right now. You can see there's a change on the dimension of this right now. If you look at your previous one that was exported from Prota Structure, you can see that this is how it looks like, which if you print this, you will not be able to read this, or you will not be able to see it because it will be very dark. So right now, if you look at this right now, there is a change which makes this very lighter, as you can see right now. But on this side right now, it is not light, it is very dense, which if you print this, your structural presentation will not look nice. So that is why I would advise you to get this template if you can. Because if you don't have this template, it will take you much time to now start to be changing this one after the other, and which will take a lot of time. So if you have the money, $5, you can get this template from Stonebridge link, which is just on the description down below. Okay, so right now you can see how we have just changed this perfectly, and all other ones has been changed, as you can see it right now. That is the magic that this template can do. Okay, so right now we go right now this place right now. Once we go here right now, the first thing we're going to do right now is to start numbering this beam. Now, you can see that Prota Structure numbers your beam span by span, but a pure and a good global standard of structural detailing, we number, if it's, as you can see that this is a continuous beam, we number this beam at a stretch. Either we'll call this beam 1, and this one beam 2, and this beam 3, and this beam 4, and this beam 5. And also continue again beam 6, beam 7. But you can see that you can see that this already is already at beam 80 and beam 24, which is not nice. It will very it will be very confusing during the construction for the reader. So right now we will begin our structural detailing right now, and we are beginning from the foundation, from the first floor layout. Okay, so on this place right now, the first thing you do right now is to copy one of these beam, or just go right now. You already have a template for this. That's why you need this template. You go to a previous sample of what you have right here. You can see right now there is a sample for you. So you just click on one of these sample, copy this, right? Just copy it down to your own right now. This is our own just here, and then paste it just close by right here. Now, once you paste it right now, you call this is already called beam 1. Next thing you do right now is to confirm your beam dimension. On this one, this is 225 by 450, and the same, you just change it. If your own is different, you can change it, but on this case, it's 225 by 450 dimensional beam. So right now, I will now go and just do this right now. Go on this place and paste this. Open my OSnap and paste this just here. I will change this color for the moment so that it not interfere with the ones we have here. So I'll change this to red so that I will know that this is my beam, is the one I am numbering. So I'll just place this here. Then first, before I begin again, we have to remove all this slab spanning direction because I don't like this in my structural detailing. So I'll click on this right now, on one of them, right click and say select similar. Now automatically it takes everything. I'll just right click, I'll just click on E. The E means erase and click enter. Then again, I click on this place again, right click and say select similar, and then click on E, which means erase, and press enter. Now I will now go to my template just here. I'll go to a sample on this template and then click, just copy one of these right now. You can see the slab right now. Copy one of these just now, copy it down to um, this place that we are working on, and then paste this inside here. Now, once I paste this right now, you can see what I'm pasting right now. I paste this right now on this place. Now, this simply tells me that the slab that is here has a depth of 150 by 150 millimeter depth of slab thickness. So I'll just copy this right now and begin to paste it. I like to paste at everywhere which I have slab instead of using that spanning direction. So I just paste it and paste on this place. And then I'll just be fast to paste that and paste, 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 and paste this here. And there's a slab here, I paste this inside here. Also a slab here, I paste this here, and I paste this here. And then also I paste this inside this place. And then this is a staircase, don't do anything here because this is a void. So I paste this also at this point, and I paste this also at this point. And then on this place right now, first we have to confirm the height of this. So just click on this, right click, just click on it and say CH and say enter. Then right now I go and create the height. This height is very big for me because of the scale that we are using. If you look at this place, I want to use a template scale of 1 is to 100. So I'll just go right now, and my text font is, my text height is 1.5. So I'll just click on this right now. I can also go and I want to use a scale of 1 is to 50. So if I'm using a scale of 1 is to 50 right now, so that means if my text height is 1.5 to 2 millimeter, so let me take a 2 millimeter. So my text height now, I'll just do calculator QC and click enter. And then what I'll do right now is to now do 50, which is my scale factor, multiplied by my text height, which is 2. So this is 100. So all my text font height must be 100. So I'll click on this, right click and say similar. Now it takes all the similar. I'll now to ch, which means property, and I'll say enter. So right now, I'll go right now on this place just now. I'll go directly on the text height I can see right now, and I'll type here 100. And I'll click, and I'll just click outside. Automatically, this reduces, you can see there, it reduces all the text height, making it a well and good for presentation. Okay, so I now go right now and begin to copy again. I copy this right now and begin to paste it where I want to paste it, where they have slabs. So this also there is a slab here. I paste it here and also here and also this point and also here. So this place. Okay, also there is also a slab here, and then we also have a vertical one. Okay, there's a slab on this one also, and also a slab here. Okay, so right now we also have a slab at this point. So I'll just click on this, paste this here, click on this, rotate this, which using I will rotate this right now, and then copy, move this right now inside this place. Okay, so right now I have already shown that all these places which have this slab